finished in thistle green, except for this wing, which isn't finished in quite thistle green. So it seems a straight car. Panel fit's all good. It's an 80s Merc, so a couple of the arches are waving at me, which is normal. It just comes down to the standard work that's been carried out rather than if any work's been carried out to the arches. So a little bit of remedial paint work and tidying a couple of arches that looks to me to be all that it would take really to tidy up cosmetically. Interior actually gets a big tick from me. So the good, the bad and the ugly for the exterior. Well, it seems to be a pretty solid straight car to me. Most of the paint's fine. It's not rotted through in the usual places. The bad is a little bit spubbling here and there. And the ugly, well, this wing, to be honest with you. Yep, nothing sinister at all. Oh, nice smooth start. Love a Merc, love an 80s Merc, love a 90s Merc. It's just something sort of reassuringly solid. I've gone through the good, the bad and the ugly and all the bits and pieces you could tidy up to make it spot on. But the reality is it's a perfectly usable car and a pretty cool smoker. Do you reckon that one? Should we keep it? But it will sell to the first person that makes me an offer I can't refuse. So numbers up there if you want to get in touch, or the website, spuncars.co.uk.
Sweet dreams are made of this.